Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cultivate Agri. In the previous session, we learned the plant propagation, a topic in forestry, and in the upcoming videos, we'll discuss asexual propagation. So subscribe this channel to get notification. In this session, we discuss aerial seeding, an interesting topic in forestry. Let's start the session. As the usage of agricultural equipments are not possible in hilly areas for the establishment of crops, there is a need for aerial seeding. So the simplest way of understanding aerial seeding is it is a method of sowing seeds by spraying them aerially through agricultural drone is known as aerial seeding. It is the picture of aerial seeding. Here, the seeds are dispersed by agricultural drone aerially. Now we discuss the picture of ravines. The water action due to rain erodes the soil and causes ravines, rill erosion and gully erosion. Ravines has narrow width and vertical sides, so the ravines are not easily crossed or plowed by agricultural equipments. Now we discuss what are all the areas suitable for aerial seeding. The aerial seeding can be applicable in uneven and difficult areas where the usage of agricultural equipments are not possible. For example, it can be applicable in erosion occurred areas and also in mountain areas. It is also applicable in areas restricted by landslides. It is successful in uncultivable land. For example, in shifting cultivation, the land is left without cultivation. Here, aerial seeding is successful. Finally, it is also applicable in ravine areas. Now we discuss the mechanism of aerial seeding. The two types of mechanism is one is ground preparation. In aerial seeding, the seed survival percentage is less. In order to increase the survival percentage, the ground preparation is done in dry areas for better seed aeration and moisture retention. The other mechanism is seed treatment. In aerial seeding, there is a chance that seeds are damaged by animals. So to avoid this predation, the seeds are covered with latex, which is used as binder for fungicide and lubricant. The fungicide is used to repel birds and insects. The aluminum powder is used as lubricant to prevent the seed from sticking while passing through agricultural machineries. Now we discuss the experimental research of aerial seeding. To test the survival percentage, the seeds of Prosopis juliflora, Acacia catechu, and Acacia nilotica are sprayed on the soil. The highest survival percentage obtained in Prosopis juliflora, Semi-caruvelum. The reason is Semi-caruvelum is the fastest growing tree and can adaptable to many soil conditions and withstand extreme temperature. It is the picture of Prosopis juliflora, Semi-caruvelum. It is used for firewood purposes. Here the thorns are present. It is the picture of Acacia catechu. Here brown elongated pod is present. It is the picture of Acacia nilotica. The constriction between seeds are present. Now we discuss the choice of species of aerial seeding. The seeds selected for aerial seeding should have well-developed embryo and also in 3 to 4 cm in size, as the smaller seeds are easily blown away by wind during aerial seeding. The tree species selected should produce hundreds to thousands of seed. The presence of hard surface can prevent germination capacity. So the seed which has the ability to germinate on hard surface should be selected. The tree species should produce a fertile seed frequently. It should have fastest germination capacity and also seedling growth stages. It should be adaptable to many soil conditions and also withstand extreme temperature and dry periods. The seed should not be tasty to escape from birds, animals and squirrels. The seed should be hard enough to withstand the falling impact. The seed should be suitable for handling with mechanical devices. Now we discuss the advantages of aerial seeding. As aerial seeding eliminates plowing and also the process of germination and growth stages requires no attention. It is less expensive than manual seeding. The seeds are covered with nutrients and sprayed by agricultural drone, so the labor requirement is less. The areas which are difficult to reach, that is mountain areas, can be covered using this method. It can cover large acres at least amount of time. Here the distribution of seed is more uniform. Now we discuss the disadvantages of aerial seeding. As the seeds are sprayed in air, there is no guarantee for the yield. There is a risk the seeds get washed away by rain and also leads to wastage of seeds. As the seeds are not planted in soil, as like in traditional method, the grassy sides can obstruct the seed from reaching ground. The management cost is more as the establishment of plant population is uneven. As the seeds are sprayed in air, there is no correct spacing of trees and also leads to close growing of trees and reduces survival percentage. It also requires large quantity of seed which is difficult to procure. Note down the question and write the answers in the comment box section. It is the answer for previous session. I hope you understand the concept of aerial seeding. If you need any update, you can write it in the comment box section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.